we're gonna tune the car, man. Everybody says it feels like a brand new car, so I'm super excited. Hey fuckers, welcome back to another video. We got the G, we're in the house. Let's go to a different location and talk some facts. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Also guys, thank you guys so much for 11,000 subscribers. What, 11,000? Bro, that is we actually hit 11,000 in like the fastest manner ever. Like, I'm literally scheduling the 10,000 subscriber meet with this group called Stand Series that hosts a lot of meets here in Sacramento. Hopefully we can get that arranged, and hopefully it'll come after I get my carbon hood. I was so focused on like all the things I need to buy, all the things I need to get together, all the meat, and then I checked and we're already at 11,000. Like, what the? Thank you guys so much. Besides that, let's go on to a different location. It's probably one of my last rides before I actually tune the car. But besides that, there's a lot I gotta tell you guys. Not just with the tune or anything, but I will tell you guys other stuff that's going on with the car, as well as like who I chose to tune with and shit like that. But let's get to the location first. This baby rides with me everywhere. I take it to the grocery store, to my friend's house. Alright guys, we're here in our favorite location. They're obviously pressure washing their car over there in the far. Hopefully that's not making a lot of disturbance. I got this little wind muffler or whatever here on my camera. Hopefully everything's alright. But anyways, let's talk some facts about the car here. First of all, before I talk about the tune, let's talk about some issue I'm having right now. Here's the back of my car. Can you guys tell something? I don't know if you guys can tell, but in person you can tell a little bit more. But it's a little lopsided. It's like this. Obviously this is more exaggerated, but it's like lopsided. Here we got this gap, right? Let me show you guys on my phone, because this camera, it makes everything too cinematic, man. Sometimes it pisses me the I could put my finger nice and comfortable, but you guys can see it scraping in the back. But in the other side, look, that shit is way tighter. Look, I can't even put my finger inside, so we might have to do some measuring before I can adjust the height on this. Since we installed the spacers, it is rubbing now. Look, the wrap is ripping. Like, you can't really tell. It hasn't really affected it like its appearance yet, but it is it's messing it up, man. It's doing its damage. Yeah, it's doing its damage. Look, you can see the dust already. Eek. Should I higher this up? I don't know if I should hire it up. Let me know if I should lift up my car a little bit, or fuck it, static. I gotta tell you another issue we had, bro. You guys see my tire length. I had to add a little tire letter. This time I didn't put the letters. I know they're a little bit off. Maybe I should have just put the regular stripe like that instead of these feathery. I don't know what I was doing, guys, but I'm super upset with this, and I'll tell you guys why. I was putting this, always something, you guys know my channel, something always has to go wrong, right? And so what happened was that I installed this pattern on the other side. Let me show you guys the damage. Like, I had to remove the after it's stuck on in 100-degree weather, I had to take it off. And as you guys can see, I even had to rip off part of the thing because it was just so jammed up. Regardless, I don't know, man, but whatever. Look, anyways, it doesn't look that bad if you like close your eyes and like don't look at it, but yeah, it's not bad. Also the hood, I think it should be on our way. The guy told me it should be here in about 8 days, and that was last Tuesday. So if you count the days, that should be like next Thursday, or this upcoming Thursday, we should have the hood. Also, I went ahead and ordered some hood pins. I had a couple of you guys let me know, like, hey man, you should install some hood pins. Like, trust me, you don't want the hood flying. And I recently just had a friend who had the exact same hood, but I think he bought it from elsewhere, and his hood literally flew off and hit his window, and like it messed up his fender and all that stuff. So I definitely don't want that happening to me, so I went ahead and ordered some. Alright guys, finally, let's talk about the tune. What the hell's that? By the way guys, last video, if you guys haven't watched it, last video, I accidentally said Amazon Premium and compared to Amazon Prime. Man, you guys had me laughing in the comments. Not gonna lie, bro, that shit was hella funny. What did I decide to go with? There's you guys already know, Sol Nismo Nights, you guys already know that. You guys know Admintuning, and then there's also RZG Motorsports tuning. A lot of people other tune too, like Z1 Motorsports does e-tune. But anyways, at the end of the day, I decided to go with RZG tuning. Because I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I definitely do like they have that option of doing that. I don't know if you guys go on shopping, they have that karma, or it's like Kalarma, but I like just saying karma, whatever it is. But it's like this financing, but no interest. So like if it's like $200, you can split it into 4 easy payments. And no, this is not sponsored. I know I'm sounding like a damn advertisement. No, but they're every 2 weeks, not every month. You get me? So every 2 weeks you'll pay 1/4 of it, and that kind of gives me a little ease. It makes it a little easier for me to buy things, because there's a couple guys I know that have RZG and like freaking badass. So I decided to go with RZG tuning for this tune this time. Obviously I'm gonna tune the car again once I manual swap the car, and you know, maybe I install a couple more things. So this is by no means gonna be my final tune or anything like that. This is just the first one that I'm going with. Also, another thing, guys, for some of you guys it's gonna be kind of pointless, and I get it, but trust me, for me, like, I've been wanting this forever. But here's the thing, you guys know, you guys tell me I can install my controls on my steering wheel and things like that, but I trust me, I can't. There's no cable for it. Like, me and my friend try to figure it out, like, we can't. What's gonna end up it's because this steering wheel, guys, from Zekulus that I got, if you guys know all the beef and drama we had before, like, this steering was just I don't know, I don't like it, man. It's the worst. It's kind of crooked straight when the steering wheel's like this. That's why maybe some of you guys think my alignment is wrong. I had some people who ordered from Zekulus themselves and had the steering wheel like this, bro. Like this. Like, how do you, what? Like, so to be completely honest with you guys, I'm gonna tune the car like this, and I'm probably only gonna get the performance pack. Plus, I'm an automatic, so I can't really do like a lot of the ARC features, like two-stepping and like flat foot shifting, and I'm not really excited about the two-step. I just want like the performance kind of side of it. So I'm probably just gonna get the performance map. That's it. That's all I'm interested for. I want the freaking car to go a little bit faster, right? But yeah, for right now we're gonna keep the steering wheel, do the tune like that. But honestly, for the next one, I'm probably gonna switch my steering wheel setup. I need my steering to be a little straight. I can't have this crooked stuff, like, and I just had too much beef with them. Like, I'll probably end up selling this steering wheel and just get like an NRG one. Man, I'm trying to take a picture with this intake for the thumbnail, but I got fucking like a car meet over here and like some tennis players over there, and I don't know exactly what's going on. And like, bro, I came here for a reason at 8 a.m. I literally put my alarm and it was like 9:19. Like, come on, man. I completely forgot to tell you guys about this. Now we're at home, we're about to ready to get installed the intake, what do you guys think about the trunk, guys? Like I said, there's a little bit something I don't like about it. It's like these little white spots. Like, it's like discoloration of the carbon itself. It's not, I don't think it's the resin, it's the carbon itself. And I don't know if I kind of like it. So I was thinking of just wrapping this like from here, so like maybe here, create like kind of like a thing right here and like this, and then leave like this top duckbill and everything on top exposed. What do you guys think? Let me know, because it has these white spots. You can see here in another footage, the white spots they're not cutting it for me. Like, I don't like it, but yeah, I might end up wrapping it maybe a little bit. Not sure yet, not sure. All right, guys, I'm gonna switch to my phone camera because the big camera is definitely not necessary. Over quality for this. Okay, relax, my phone will do. Anyways, before we install this, you guys already know we're gonna probably have to install the MAF sensor here, and then also, you guys look at the tube. It doesn't have any hose, kind of, you know, little boom right there to connect your hose root, which is why we had to purchase the EPS breather kits. Okay, now it's very simple to install. I think they send you instructions too on the email, which is freaking awesome. We're gonna this hose basically just connects down to your valve cover right here on the back side right there. So we're gonna have to go ahead, disconnect that, and that's gonna have like a little nipple right there, and that's where you're just gonna collect one of the filters over there. Now in the second side over here, the second here, we have a little thing here. We're gonna actually have to unscrew the nipple here on the passenger side of the valve cover. We're gonna go ahead, remove that, and replace it with this one. You screw it on through there. This is an adapter to go ahead and put on the new filter right there. All right, guys, little update. I had to take off the throttle body so I could get more space, but we basically took off the hose. The hose came off super easy. I don't even think it was clamped, to be honest with you guys, but we installed the breather air filter. They're different sizes. This has a bigger hole than that one over there. Had to figure it out. I was like, why isn't that one fitting? What the break, bruh? This one fit. You just tighten up the clamp, put back the throttle body. You should be set on this side. Should be able to cut our best safety feature in our car here, the zip ties. Grab this octopus, throw it on the ground for now. Now that's the nipple we're about to replace right there. All right, y'all, for this part, when we remove that, When you unscrew this, it's said to put your pinky in there and kind of do this and get oil on your pinky, and you want to rub it on the O seal right there. You don't want to tighten this super tight. It's just as long as the O seal's in there. Okay, we put our adapter. We didn't do it too tight. You can see it's just where's it at? It's right there. It's just sitting flush. They have this adapter to it. I'm just gonna walk you guys through it. That's how nice I am today. Usually I just skip it. I'm like, you're gonna grab this, put it on here, and boom, you're set. Bingo, baby. And all right, guys, as you can see, we got our filter down there. We got our filter up here. We're ready to go. We got this open thing right here. We don't want no vacuum leaks. So we basically just grab this little... Damn, this is a pretty tight freaking thing. Nice. Well done. EPS Engineering Texas Solution. No, it's not Texas. I don't know what it is. It almost looks like titanium. Oh my god. Is this a Tome valve? What is this? And then this, well, we don't need it this case because our intake doesn't have a hole. But if you do get a breather can, you have like a normal cold air intake, or you know, another intake that has a hole, then you would just freaking grab this and put this on top just like so. Okay, this is too much work for me to even try, but basically it goes on there. All right, guys, I'm trying to upload the video. I'm trying to finish this ASAP so I can give it to you guys right now. But man, we need to uninstall this MAF sensor. And well, this has a special key right here. It's the star one, but it has a little dot in the middle. Man, what is Infinity thinking? Like, we'll have to run to, I don't know, maybe AutoZone. Crossing my fingers, they finally have something once in their life, man. All right, guys, here we go, man. This looks absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. I still haven't installed the MAF sensor. I don't want to go to AutoZone right now, so I'm gonna go install it later. But pretty much this is how it's gonna look like. I can't do nothing with the car yet till Monday because that's when I get tuned. So yeah, guys, we're pretty much done. Besides this, I'm super excited, man. We've come this far. Thank you guys so much. It's freaking crazy. Hey, we're about to tune my G35. Your tune? It's pointless. Really? Come on. Really? Come on. It's pointless. Shut the f. Alright, guys, jokes aside, like, I know some of you guys see this tune as pointless, whatever. Like Chris Rock says, whatever. That's my best impression. We're gonna tune the car, man. Everybody says it feels like a brand new car, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna let you guys know all the details, from like what it takes to tune your car, everything you have to go through, especially when it comes to e-tune, since that's what I'm gonna be doing. Hopefully when I manual swap my G35, and yes, it's still coming. I know it's been a long time, and trust me, it's coming. Once I manual swap my G35, I'm gonna obviously tune it again. And when I do tune it with my manual transmission, I'm probably gonna get it dyno tuned. I think one of my goals and one of my experiences that I want to do is actually be at a live dyno tune and things like that, especially with my own car. So I think that's definitely gonna be a fun experience. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, guys. Peace out, guys. Take care, stay safe, wash your hands, be careful out there. Peace.